Hey guys, today I've got a 2-year-old Maytag commercial technology washer, and I've got it loaded up. Pretty heavy jeans, a towel load, some shirts and stuff in there. I always run a few loads, 3 or 4 at least, through these machines to make sure that they work perfectly. That way, you know, when you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. That's how I like to spend my money and shop for items, so that's how I like to sell my items. Right now I've got it set. We're just going to do a rapid wash. And let's see, spin levels on max, soils about medium, temperatures somewhere in the warm category here. Got a ton of different options on this. You can pause and read through all those if you want, but lots of different options. This one does have the agitator in the middle, and it's going to fill all the way up to submerge these clothes. So it's going to do an excellent job of getting the clothes clean. If you didn't see it, that's where you put your soap and stuff. So we'll go ahead and hold this to start. Oops, maybe I pushed it too many times there. Okay, I wasn't holding it long enough. You have to hold it for 3 seconds and then it goes. Otherwise, if you only hold it for a second or two, it'll just flash at you like it's not starting. So a little tip there. But it's sensing. Here in a sec, it's gonna lock the lid so you won't be able to open this up. There it went, so we can't open this up now. It's a nice safety feature. And it'll add the water. And I'm gonna come back as it moves through this cycle here. Otherwise this video would be super long. So I'll come back when it's all full, show you that it agitates, drains the water out, and it has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All right, and it is filling up. There's just about full submersion there on the clothes and agitating. So it's still adding a little bit of water as it goes along. It's added, it actually bumped up to 42 minutes, so it knew the load was a little bit bigger, a little heavier, added a few more minutes. Kind of does all that stuff automatically. But this is the wash cycle here. You can see the agitator working perfectly in there, doing a real good job getting those clothes agitated. And so that is the wash cycle. All right, and it is switched over to draining. You can hear it drain the water out nice and fast. It'll spin the water out, fill back up for the rinse cycle. And then we will be on to the final spin. Actually drains that water out pretty fast too. Of course, it'll do that before it spins at all. All right, we are back on the final spin. So 7 minutes left. You can see it's spinning super fast. Nice smooth operation. Sounds great. It'll actually go just a tiny bit faster than this, which is great because you get max extraction on the clothes in there as far as getting the water out, which will cut your drying time in half. So that's going to be it for this guy. We'll move over to the dryer, show you that the dryer's working perfectly, and go from there. All right, guys, now we've got the Whirlpool electric dryer here. Quite a few different settings on it. I'm also going to do a little bit of touch up with some specialty appliance paint to make this top look brand new. People like to set stuff on top of these and they get a little scratched up over time. But I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. I've got it running right now. It's about 75, 76 degrees on top of the machine, which that changes depending on what I'm shining this light on. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'm going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube there. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube, and then that will heat the inside of the dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that's what in turn gets your clothes clean. So the air travels from here inside out, and the lint trap up here catches any lint. So just make sure you change that. Otherwise, now you know. It heats perfectly, sounds great, runs smooth. We'll get this touched up, so make sure you go back and check out the pictures to see it finished. And I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. Thank you very much for watching my video. Y'all have a great day.